popping in here like lightning. We are going to do jelly beans words. So here's his words, but we're gonna do an update. I'm gonna press pause on this, love bug, and see if I can get you guys set up here. But we have a play date in like 30 minutes. So yep, I pressed pause. So this is going to be a really quick baby update for you guys. He's not a baby, he's a full-blown toddler. As you guys can see, press pause, I did. Say hi. Good job. Can you speak up a little louder? Say hi. Get your bottom lip out your mouth. Say hi. Good job. Okay. Today is June 22nd. Yes, I help. Today is words. We're in school right now, but today is June 22nd. He is 2 and 4 months. So February, March, April, May, June. He's gonna be 2 and 4 months on the 26th of this month. So it's June 22nd, 2022, and he's gonna be 2 and 4 months. Words, yes. So he wants to do his words really quick, which these are his words, you guys. So hopefully y'all can read that. If you can't, just press pause, because I don't want to move the camera around too much. But these are all of his words that he knows how to read, and yes, we're gonna do them right now. And we are full blown in school mode. Let me see. Okay, so I showed you guys the words, and we're probably gonna stop, son. We're probably gonna stop at this word, but he knows it, so I'm just gonna put the camera on him so that y'all can hear him say the words. But he is still breastfeeding. He also knows the lowercase a, b, and d now. And he also hold on, love bug. He also knows how to count to 20 now, because I'm not going to show you guys all of that, because when we did his 23-month update, he was eggs. Good job, eggs. Like, I already showed you guys that he knows all of that, but he knows all of his lowercase, uppercase, can identify them out of order. He can identify all of his colors, but now he's starting to say his colors. Hold on, son. Hold on. He's starting to say his colors in French and Spanish, and he's starting to count in French and Spanish. And he's also starting to learn sight words and read. Yeah, love bug. So that.
What's that?
What's that?
Hole.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so he's like really wanting to do his sight words right now. So that's what you guys are going to hear him say. And he loves this book, Squeak the Lion. Okay, but here, let's do your words real quick.
I. Oh. Me.
You know it. Pooh. Good job. Play.
Look.
Good job. Look.
4.
4. Good job. Good job.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Okay. Look. Good job. Run. Okay. Come. Jump. Good job. Now these next 3 we're still learning, so I'm gonna see if he remembers them, but he's doing a really good job. Okay, your next word, Lubbock. Your next word, Lubbock. You got his arm. There you go. Okay, look. The. Good job. Okay.
My.
Good job. My. Okay. What is it? Tell me the word. You're being it. Tell me the word. What's this word?
Oh.
Okay, so sometimes he doesn't say it, but I can show you guys he knows the word. So let me just ask him where is the word so he can point back. There you go. He just started telling me like his back itch. Okay, look, really quick, son. Where's the word funny? Funny. Good job. We. Good job. And down. What word is that?
We.
Good job. Good job. So you guys see he's going to be reading by the time he's 3, because already when we're reading. Oh, let me show you guys this, because he did such a good job and he did remember all of his words. So this is what I do for him when he remembers all of his words. Son, we got 3 minutes and we have to leave, okay? So look, so because you remembered all of your words and you knew them, love bug. Surprise! Okay. So this is, yes, love bug. This is the surprise bag, y'all. So what I do is dump all of his toys. Yeah, good job. Yes, love bug. So I dump all of these out because he doesn't see them, and these are all new toys that he can choose from. So my mom has bought him some dinosaurs for him to choose from, but he can only pick one, and he knows he can only pick one. And look at the intensity on his face. But he can only choose one dinosaur from this whole pile. And then he has about and his pants is still rolled, guys. Yes, he's still potty trained, but he knows he only has a couple of minutes to pick only one. And then I put them all back in the bag, and then he doesn't get to see these until he remembers 2 new words, which he remembered his word play, and he remembered the word my. Son, your little booty's in the screen. Good job. So as you guys can see, there's a big difference. Like from 6 months ago, he is make sure you pick one, love bug. He is actually doing a lot better with listening, but like I said, I knew it was just because of his age, and he still has his spirit. He's so sweet. What else? He loves to travel. He loves to travel, and he loves to be on the boat. He loves to do schoolwork. He loves to learn new things. The last thing I'm gonna show you guys is him knowing where his planets are. He absolutely loves planets. And then I think, did you pick the one you want, love bug? You can only pick one, okay? So pick which one you want. Yeah, what's that? Okay, so now you have 2 in your hand. Okay, you want this one? Okay, can you show them which one you have? Whoa. Good job. You got, it looks like a Spinosaurus, but I don't think he's a Spinosaurus. What is he? Y'all, he knows all of these dinosaurs by name. If I point to one and say the wrong name, he'd tell me, no, that's not it. He'd say, that's not it. Okay, guys, so we're going to go over here to his planets really quick, which is on here. So, hold on, son. Let me show you guys so you can kind of see the general area. Hold on. Of the planet. But he loves to do the planet. So, where is Saturn? Good job, Saturn. Where's Neptune? Neptune. Where's... Hold on. Calm down just a little bit. Where's Neptune? Good job, Neptune. Where's Earth? Where's... Hold on. You got to point to it accurately. Where's Earth? No, look. Look. Yeah. Back up just a little so they can see too. That's why we want you to stay out the screen. Point to Earth. Accurately, slowly, and calmly. Where's Earth? Earth. Find Earth. Earth. Right here. Yep, Earth. Where's the sun? Whoa. Where's the sun? That's a star. That's a star. He just did them perfectly. But we just started learning where the planets and stuff is. But he remembers Saturn and Neptune really well. He knows where Earth is, but I think he's really excited now because he has his, and as you guys can see, we actually have blinds now. But he knows all of his toys and stuff is over here now, which this area looks a hot mess. And I know you guys probably can't see it that well because the window, the big, yeah, the window is right here. But you guys, we actually have to leave now. Mosasaurus. Yes. I think it's a Spinosaurus, but I'm gonna have to look him up so I can make sure that I'm saying his name right. But this is a Spinosaurus. But you guys, I just really wanted to come in here and get this update in for you guys and just let you guys know where his development is. He's saying a whole bunch of words, and you guys, you know, that's just pretty much it. He loves bath time and egg. But yeah, he like I said, he still breastfeeds. He's starting to eat a lot more food. His poop is still yellow, but it's solid now. But he's doing 70, babe, would you say 75 or 80% still nursing?
I'll say like 80.
So yeah, he's still nursing 80% because he still nurses overnight, but he's eating. When he has a certain hunger, he knows he wants an apple. He loves apple, seaweed. He loves those popcorners. He also loves fries, but all the fries and stuff is only 3 ingredients. It's from Trader Joe's, and he only likes organic, healthy foods. He likes to eat. What else do you like to eat? Seaweed. You like salmon, and he only likes maybe like 4 or 5 foods, but he's getting a lot better with eating. But he just really started eating maybe 3 months ago. He just really started consuming more foods because his poop has become more of a solid. But you guys probably don't want to hear that, but I just wanted to show you guys the new things that he's learned and how he knows dinosaur names. I have to show you guys that later, but we have to go. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I know I look crazy, but it's okay, you know. But here is Jelly Bean. One more time, say bye.
Bye.
Good job. Yeah, I see, little bug. Okay, bye guys.